A young man arrived in a quaint village and asked the priest if the people were kind. The priest asked how the people were in his previous town. The young man replied negatively. The priest said he would find similar people here. Another newcomer asked the same question and replied positively. The priest assured him he would find the same kind of people here. A young boy asked the priest why he gave different answers, and the priest explained that what you see in the world reflects what is inside you. Be a beacon of goodness, and the world will reflect it to you.